Through a uniquely authentic perspective in the horror genre, this goodest boy delivers a performance that is both natural and chilling. And the winner of the South by Southwest Hall of Fame award goes to Indy from the film Good Boy.
Indy is delighted and humbled and thrilled to be receiving this award for being in a film he does not know he was in.